Since 2014, these guys have flown over 23,000 missions. That's 23,000 flights as of May 2025. Who are they? Extreme Aerial Productions.
From backpack drones to heavy lifters like the DJI M600 Pro, M300, and 𝗓𝗓𝗓𝗓. We've mapped solar farms, skyscrapers, highways, LiDAR, photogrammetry.
What sets them apart? Passion, precision, family business values. They don't just fly. They partner with surveyors, construction managers, engineers, even movie producers, helping them save time and boost profits.
They built trust across Arizona and Nevada, serving McCarthy, Mortensen, solar EPCs. Their word is their bond. No excuses, just results.
Check the gear. LiDAR units, RTK photogrammetry rigs, FPV drones, 360-degree.
And the deliverables: Lamb XML, L8S, GSM, DKM. Packages surveyors can plug straight into their workflow.
Extreme Aerial Productions isn't just about flying drones. It's about building smarter, faster, safer futures from the sky. With more than a decade of proven experience, 23,000 missions, and the best equipment in the air. Why trust anyone else?
Extreme Aerial Productions. We build from above.
Extreme Aerial Productions, Arizona, Nevada, since 2014.